Good day, everyone! I am Teacher Mary and I am your teacher for today. Bago natin simulan ang ating aralin, maaari muna bang magsitayo kayo at pulutin ang mga kalat na inyong nakikita sa ating kapaligiran. At itapon ito sa tamang basurahan. Bago natin simulan ang ating aralin, tingnan muna natin kung sino ba ang lumiban sa ating klase. Merong bang lumiban sa unang grupo? Wala, mahusay. Paano naman sa pangalawang grupo? May lumiban ba sa inyong mga kagrupo? Wala. Mahusay. Kumpleto tayo ngayong araw. Bago natin simulan ang ating talakayin ay may inihanda muna si teacher na pampasiglang bilang na alam kong ikagagalak nyo at ikasisigla. Maaaring tumayo ang lahat at sundin ang nasa pisara. Palaro ay tinatawag na word puzzle. Ang mangyayari lamang ngayong klase ay mabibigyan ng scrambled word na makikita nyo sa ating screen or sa ating blackboard na inyong aayusin ang mga letrang ito. So, the students will work individually and to fix the letters and get the correct answer based on the clue provided. So, meron kayong picture na makikita dyan na magiging basihan nyo upang masagot ang tamang word na maaaring mag-describe doon sa larawan na iyon. So, itataas lamang ang kamay pag gusto nyo nang sumagot. Okay? Ngayon, simulan natin ang ating palaro. Ang unang scrambled word ay ito. Mahusay. Ito ay landforms. Tingnan natin ang susunod na larawan. Magaling! Isa itong mountain. How about the next picture? Yes, it is volcano. Mahusay. Bigyan natin ng 3 palakpak ang bawat isa. Ang mga sagot na inyong nakuha ay may kinalaman sa ating aralin ngayong araw. At ang ating tatalakayin ngayong araw ay tungkol sa landforms. Ano nga ba ang landform? Class, a landform is not all the same. Some of them are very high below the sea levels and some of them are high above the sea level. So, it is deep about the sea levels and some of them are very large and some of them are very small. So, our part of the Earth's surface is covered by the land. The different physical features found in the surface is called a landform. So now, let's talk about the kinds of the landform. Let's start with the island. What can you see in these pictures? It is correct. So class, a group of island is called archaeologies. And the Philippines is the examples of the island or archipelago. What do you notice about this picture? Okay, it is a flat land. So, class, it is a plain and this is suitable for the planting of the various crops like rice and corn. So, usually it builders home and establish settlements with the governing bodies in the plain. The next one is the valley. So, the biggest valley in the country is the Cagayan Valley. Other notable valleys around the country is the Trinidad Valley, Cotabato Valley, Agusan Valley, Aklan Valley, Antique Valley, and Zamboanga Valley. And the other one is the Planteo. So, this one class, it is also deals for the plants and not, so it's do not need more water. So, this bit plateaus around the country and around in the mountain province. So from Benguet, Ifugao, Kalinga, Apayao in Luzon, and on the other hand, the plateaus of Bukidnon and Lanao del Norte in Mindanao. The next one is the mountain ranges. So these mountain ranges has many in the Philippines, diba? So apart from logs, The mountains are rich from some minerals, and they also serve as natural barriers against the typhoon. Like, for example, is the Sierra Madre in our locations that protect us from the typhoon, di ba? Pag may bagyo, hindi tayo masyadong binabaha, hindi masyadong tayong inuulan ng sobra-sobra kahit signal number 4 na siya. Kasi meron tayong mountain ranges na Sierra Madre na nagpo-protect sa ating bayan. So, please take care of our Sierra Madre para hindi tayo magkaroon ng masyadong landslide or any effect ng masyadong bagyo. And this next is a volcano. A volcano has many faults that immediately to our environments once erupt. So, di ba naapektuhan tayo na to pag pag sumasabog ng bulkan. So, its presence is also benefits for our everything's around because it is a rich source of mineral.
Ngayon, upang masukat ang inyong kaalaman sa ating pinag-aralan, ay may inihanda akong mga katanungan. Ano nga ang ating tinalakay ngayong araw? Landform. Mahusay. Ano nga ang iba't ibang klase ng landform? Mahusay. Ito ay plain, hills, volcano, mountain ranges, plateau, valley, and plain. And also the island. Very good. And why do we need to take care our landform? Very good, because it has a benefits for us that help us to our environment. And class, ngayon na mukhang natuto na kayo ay may nihanda akong isang maikling laro sa inyo na sure akong matututo kayo at mag-enjoy. Ngayon, dumako naman tayo sa ating pagtataya. Label each picture and then write a simple definitions for each word. And now, let's move to our assignment. So the direction of this is in your assignment notebook. Draw one different type of landform that you could found in your way home or in your locality.